Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry about the lack of light, but we've had some pretty bad storms come through North Carolina, and right now we're out of power. I'm sitting in the shed just cutting some letters out of some old rusty tin. But this is the toolbox shelf. I'm going through these toolboxes. I've got a lot of sockets and different type stuff with rust on it, so I'll put all those in vinegar, and then I'll spray them clean with WD-40 and let them soak, and that appears to be doing the job. But this is my shelf. That stuff I've got to put finish right there and a little piece on the edge right there, and I'll be done, and I'll consider this video over with. But I put my vise on there because I had it on a little craft table where I make my jewelry and stuff. So I'll put it on this table where I get more use out of it. And I've got on the pegboard wall right there, putting some tools that I found in these toolboxes. And but you can kind of see that one's off the farm. I got all kind of wrenches and sockets and stuff. I'm going through everything and get all that sorted out. And that'll free up more space. I'm going to put my generator and my sup pump over here, and where the generator is, that'll free up where I can put that kind of lazy frugal shelving unit in there. And I'll clean up a bunch of space in my shop. You hear that wind blowing out there? It's been rocking and rolling like that since about 1 o'clock this morning, I guess. But you see I put supports on it because a lot of those toolboxes are full of stuff like that. And there I've been going through and sorting and getting different bits out. And you don't know what you have to give a good look, but I'm happy with the finished product, and I'll finish it up and I'll put it to good use. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.